Hello, my friends. Sophie and Liam are going shopping today. Sophie wants to buy new clothes and food. But sometimes it is hard to ask for things in English.
Liam, look, this dress is,
Yes, Sophie. It is a beautiful red dress. Do you like it?
beautiful red. Yes, I like it. But what size?
Let's go inside and ask.
Sophie and Liam are in the clothes shop. Sophie likes a red dress.
This is very nice. Is it big or small?
Hello, can I help you?
Yes, I need a small size.
Of course. Here is a small size for you. The changing rooms are over there.
Thank you.
Next, Sophie and Liam go to the supermarket. Sophie needs some fresh food.
Oh, look! Apples! They are very...
They are fresh, Sophie. Do you want red apples or green apples?
I want red apples. How much are they?
They are 2 pounds for 1 kilo. Do you want 1 kilo?
Yes, please. 1 kilo of red apples. And some bananas.
Now, Sophie is at the checkout. She needs to pay.
Hello? That will be 15 pounds and 50 pence, please.
15 pounds, 50 pence. Can I pay by card?
Yes, you can. Please put your card here.
Thank you. Can I have a bag, please?
Of course. Here you go.
Thank you. Have a good day.
You too.
Sophie and Liam finished their shopping.
Liam, look! I have a new dress and fresh apples.
Yes, Sophie, you did great. You used English very well.
It was easy and fun. I can ask for help. I can ask about prices.
Fantastic. You are a super shopper.
Sophie is happy. She learned the secret of shopping in English.
It is my voice. It is my confidence. Every time I speak, shopping is easy.
It is okay to make mistakes. Mistakes help me learn.
I am learning English. I am shopping in English. I am happy.
Let's review our new words and phrases from Sophie's shopping adventure. Clothes, dress, size, small, big, shop assistant, supermarket, fresh, apples, bananas, kilo, how much, cashier, card, bag. Mistakes, confidence.
Thank you for watching my shopping story.
Did you learn new words?
Did you understand our conversations?
You can listen again to practice. Remember, it's okay to make mistakes. Don't give up.
Have a good day and keep learning English.